I will talk in English also. So the only thing you will find here in Spanish is the title. Automation of data input processes for stock assessment, optimizing incorporation of data and integrated models. So I will talk first about the problem, then about what is needed, then I propose a solution, and finally I will talk about the cherry on the cake. So the problem. So imagine you are a stock assessment modeler and your model starts to fail. So what are the possible situations in this case? Usually the common failure is a retrospective pattern. As you can see, sometimes the model needs to be consistent in time. So if you have a retrospective pattern or if you have some convergence problems, so you need a different model or a different approach. But what happened here? So you have to spend 1 month or more learning what is the data input and data output formats and how the model works. Then you have to spend another month, approximately, preparing the data to fit in the new format. Then another month, preparing data output tables and plots. So all of this before the real modeling work has started. So the solution we propose is this IO Input Essay Model Wizard, which is a web app, which will avoid this mechanistic data process and will let us just go to the interesting part where we can just think about models. So the thing, you can find it here in the web page of Math for Fish. You can go here to the project tab, then to results, and then to web tools. I will also recommend this Formación tab. You will find there FLBella, Gadget and SS3 courses recorded. And I will let you for 50 seconds to take this QR so you can follow the rest of the presentation just in your own device. So what you will find in this QR is a web tool to automatize the data input in Gadget 3 and SS3 models and obtain a basic script of both models. Okay, I don't have more time. Okay? So let's go. If you go there, you will find this screen. The first tab is the load and save tab. So the first step is just load the demo data to see what the tool does. Here you have also some instructions. Then the second tab is the specification tab, where you have to, for this demo, you have the area, the time, but if you have your own data, you have to specify it yourself. And we use some kind of anchovy data, but not exactly the anchovy data, okay? So then you have some place where you say, if you have some commercial fleets, if you have survey fleets, what is the time for that? What else, if you have length distributions for that, age length distributions for them, and also you can add how many you need. And then you go for the abundance indexes. You also have to put here, or just if you have some abundance indexes, and the years and the steps. And you add and remove all the surveys you need. And then we go to this tab, data tab. This is the most painful tab. Because if you say you have something, you have to put it here by copy and paste, just by hand. But, yes, I said it's painful to fill all these tabs by hand. But if you do it, you will have here, you click here, download your data as a spreadsheet, and with this code, you copy, and you will have just a basic Gadget 3 script ready to work, and also an SS3 script ready to work. So, what I said, what is the cherry on the cake? So for demo data, we have also standardized Gadget 3 output plots. You can see it if you go here to the load and save tab, and you go to this demo output figures link, and you will get something like this. Also with many tabs. This is the standard results, basic plots for the advice, age and length distributions, your your survey data, and also some diagnostics as residuals. Further work. We want to have also some script that give us standardized SS3 output plots, so we are working on that. And this is just further work that we don't know if it's going to happen, but it is there, it is open to put a SAM model there. Not the SAM model that, not a spatial stock assessment model, not the other, it is just the state space assessment model, the one that they use for assessment. So thank you very much. You can find me here in Twitter, X. This is Math for Fish information, social media. You have Twitter, Instagram, also a YouTube channel where you can follow the whole symposium. And thank you very much.